Hello students, let us solve another bill of exchange problem. I'll read the problem. A bill of exchange drawn on 4th January 2003 at 5 months is discounted on 26th March 2003 if the banker's discount at 4% per annum be rupees 400. Find the face value of the bill. So in this problem we are asked to find the face value of the bill, and they have given us the rate of interest, that is 4%, and they have given us the banker's discount as rupees 400. The time period is not given, so we have to find the period of discount, that is time period we need to find. So when the bill is drawn on 4th January at 5 months and is discounted on 26 March 2003. So we need to calculate the number of days from 26 March to the due date of the bill. So let us first calculate what is the due date of the bill. Now I have written here due date of the bill is nothing but 5 months after the bill is drawn, that is 5 months after 4th January 2003 plus 3 days of grace. This we have to add. So 5 months after 4th January, that is 4 January to 4 February, March, April, May, June. So June 4 it completes 5 months plus 3 days of grace. June 4 plus 3 days of grace comes to June 7, 2003 is your due date of the bill. And the date of discount is nothing but given as 26 March 2003. Date of discount is given as 26 March 2003. So to calculate the time period, we need to calculate the period of discount. So period of discount we calculate T from the date of discount to the number of days from date of discount to due date. So the bill was discounted on 26 March, so we have to calculate the number of days of March plus April plus May plus June. The bill was discounted on 26 March, so March has 31 days minus 26 plus April has 30 days, May has 31 days plus June has how many days? 30 days, but our due date is June 7, so we will add here 7 days. So 7 plus 31 plus 30, 30 plus 31, 61 plus 7, 68, and this 5 days comes to T becomes 73 upon 365 days. So T becomes 73 upon 365 days. And we know the formula of BD as S into R into T. S is face value of the bill, R is rate of interest, T is the time period. So let us substitute BD equals to, so we are given BD as 400. So instead of BD, let us write 400 is equals to S, we don't know, we have to calculate the face value of the bill, into rate of interest is 4%, that is 4 upon 100, into the time period just now we have calculated, that is 73 upon 365. We can cancel this fraction, we get 1 by 5. So instead of T I can write here 1 by 5. So calculating this fraction, 25 into 5, so S is nothing but 400 into 25 into 5. So S is 400 into 25 into 5 becomes 50,000. and therefore the face value of the bill is rupees 50,000. Therefore, the face value of the bill is rupees 50,000. So here the important thing is we need to calculate the time period. And how we calculate time period? Number of days from the date of discount to the due date. So first you need to find the due date of the bill. That is 5 months after 4 January plus 3 days of grace, we get June 7, 2003. To calculate time period, you calculate the number of days from March 26 to June 7. So it comes to 73 days, and t is taken in terms of number of days, so we get t as 1 upon 5, and by substituting BD formula SRT, and we are given BD as 400, S we don't know, R is rate of interest 4 by 100 into time period is 1 by 5, and calculating the fraction we get the face value of the bill is rupees 50,000.